Hello friends, welcome back to our series Time Management Basic course, and today we are going to share the tip number 5, which I actually came to learn from many of the previous successful data scientists. Alright, so the tip is don't start with a data science competition when you are just learning about data science or machine learning, etc. Okay, the reason being the preparation time that it takes to learn about data science and the tools and technologies that are available actually is very time consuming and in fact rather boring at times until you have learned the tool and the trade itself. Of course, it's very good to know what are the final things that you are going to do. Like people start with TensorFlow, right? Or they start with MXNet, they start with PyTorch, which is great, and you should know what tools these things do, and what kind of activities we do using this kind of technologies and framework. It is also good to know what sort of problems people are solving in Kaggle competition, etc., and similar other competition, which is great. I don't deny the fact that we should not be aware of these things because these are our end goals, right? But the journey is long, and it's quite long, right, to reach here, to be able to independently do this. But if you start here, it's a pure recipe for devastation. I'd like to use a very harsh word in this case because I've seen many people waste their time trying to solve problems here straight away by considering solutions which other Kagglers or other data scientists have posted. Now keep this in mind, those people are experienced, they have solved probably more than 100 or 200 problems before trying these problems here, and they must be really having good hands-on experience. And not only that, they have good knowledge of math, stats, information theory, right? Then we have probability theory, programming, basics of computer science, architecture, optimization, right? Knowledge about server, APIs, and whatnot, which we'll of course eventually see in our program as well. But these things are like the ingredients to make a tasty and interesting recipe here. So I would encourage you not to start with a data science competition because it gives you a good idea about what things are going on, but you are not actually learning, and which is more essential. So start from here, even though if it takes you 6 to 12 months, but then this time invested is basically going to reap you more benefits rather than starting at the end and doing these competitions and not learning anything. Learning is very important in this case, and that too you should have a very good foundation because the problems will be quite challenging, quite different. So it would be great if you have all these tools in place before actually participating here. So all the best, and I hope you got the idea that you should not actually start with data science competition. Alright, so till then, have a great day, and we hope to bring you more useful tips for your data science career.